Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla presents Punjabi Methi aloo ki sabji by mom. So for this recipe you need to heat 2 tablespoons of oil and then add jeera or cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste, cook it and then add tomato paste or puree. Cook the puree and then add potatoes. You will need to roast potatoes slightly in this masala, and once they are semi-roasted, you will need to add chopped fenugreek leaves or methi leaves. You need to chop it, remember. And then add salt, black pepper powder, turmeric powder. You may use red chili powder as well, but in my home they use black pepper powder. Mix, cover and cook on a low flame. You will need to stir in between to make sure the stir fry does not burn at the bottom. And then your delicious Punjabi Methi aloo sabji is ready to be relished. Enjoy. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon with yet another healthy recipe.